In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a beautiful Instagram feed using Canva. Designing an eye-catching Instagram feed is essential for building your brand and engaging your followers. With Canva, a powerful and user-friendly design tool, you can easily create a stunning aesthetic for your Instagram profile. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser. Once you're there, the simplicity of Canva really shines. In the search bar at the top of the homepage, type Instagram feeds. This will bring up a variety of template options specifically designed to meet the unique layout and style of Instagram. Using templates is one of the easiest ways to ensure that your feed looks cohesive and professionally designed without requiring extensive graphic design skills. With the search results displayed, scroll through the options and select a template that best fits your style and the message you want your Instagram to convey. Remember, the right template can significantly impact the overall feel of your feed, so choose one that aligns with your personal or brand aesthetic. After you've selected a template, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll see the option to customize this template. Clicking this button will bring up the Canva design interface. Here you can modify the template to make it truly your own. You can alter colors, text, images, and more. This is where your creativity can shine. Customizing your feed template is crucial for making sure that it not only looks good but also represents your brand accurately. Once you're in the design interface, look for the highlight option. This feature is tremendous for directing attention to specific parts of your design. It allows you to emphasize particular aspects of your feed that you want to stand out. Simply clicking on highlight will give you options to adjust how certain elements are emphasized in your design, enhancing the overall visual interest of your Instagram profile. As you work, don't forget to consistently preview your changes to ensure everything fits together seamlessly. This step is essential to see how each individual element looks as part of the bigger picture. Lastly, when you're satisfied with your design, simply download it in your preferred format or directly share it to Instagram if you have Canva connected to your social media. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've designed a beautiful and cohesive Instagram feed using Canva. Not only is Canva incredibly powerful, but it also makes design accessible to everyone. Remember to stick with the aesthetic that represents you or your brand, as consistency and coherence are key to making a great impression on Instagram. Happy designing!